Now all that's left to actually start the car is going to be to put oil in it. And I'm going to be using just generic 5W30. Alright, so this is going to be my first attempt starting the ECOTEC Miata. So let's make sure it's not in gear. Push the clutch in. The wiring's still a mess down there, but clutch in. Lights come on. Alright, so the engine starts. You can see I tidied up the wiring harness a little bit. It's not completely done. There's still some spots back there and over here that need done. Don't have the downpipe attached to the exhaust manifold yet. Got the radiator in. You can see it's a little bit tight down there with the crankshaft pulley and the fan, but it does actually clear, so should be good on that. I have to cut this to length, this little elbow here, so that this isn't like out here. I gotta hook up the coolant system, get coolant in it, and then it should be ready to get on the road. Alright, so as you can see, the sway bar interferes with this ring on the harmonic balancer. So I'm going to be installing a Cobalt SS harmonic balancer, which will hopefully clear it and make the sway bar fit and the radiator fit better. So there's the clearance for the sway bar. See, it's close, but it's not touching the new pulley. And then here's what it looks like under the car with the relocation bracket, so that's good to go. This is the first time this car has been out of the garage in over 9 months. I think it's time to take this thing on the road for the first time with the ECOTEC swap. First time ever, this car is finally quick. It's not ridiculously quick. It doesn't even feel as fast as my Mark 6 GTI, but it's a lot faster than a stock Miata. It sounds a lot different. I love it. I'm super happy with the engine swap. The car sounds incredible. It feels super torquey. It chirps tires going into second gear. It's now a really fun little car. The car still needs tuned yet, which I imagine will make a pretty substantial difference, because I'm pretty sure it is kind of running in a pseudo limp mode because all the emission stuff is deleted and one of the oxygen sensors doesn't exist. But even still, I love this thing. The instant torque, it's nothing like a Miata now. So yeah, that was the ECOTEC Miata. It's a fun little car now. I love it. I hope you all enjoyed. If you guys have any questions, as always, feel free to email me. Feel free to comment down below. And because I asked a lot of questions when building this, a lot of little things come up. So feel free to ask if you want to build one of these your own, and I'll be sure to help you out. But once again, I hope you all enjoyed. I'll see you all next time.